Hey guys, I get this in my inbox all the time. I get it on my Facebook feed, my YouTube feed, my Instagram feed. And, it's kind of alarming because it's a lot of men, and it's not just on those feeds, it's when I'm talking to them in person. There's something going on in their subconscious where they're feeling so affronted by what seems to be an endless attack on men and the irrational, a hateful attack on men. And it's in the media, it's in the news, and in the Twitter feeds. And the more people are tuned into those things, those outlets that are there to control your personal power, to take your consciousness away and take your personal power and put it towards their, cause, or really it's not a cause, it's an agenda to, who knows, But really, the question is should men go their own way? There's an entire movement. Tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of men have said, I'm going my own way. We're done with women. This is it. We're not going to take this. We're not going to be treated this way. You are going to act like that. I'm going over here. Well, I could see on a base level why that, how to feel like that. It's like a reaction to being irrationally attacked. But I want to put things in perspective for you. If you're on Twitter all the time, you're on Facebook all the time, it's basically just negativity. I mean, it's unless you can make your feed very specific to the 3 or 4 people that are inspiring you. If you can somehow do that, then more power to you. But for me, I can't do that. I get on, or I haven't done that, and I get on there and I just see every negative opinion in the world. So you get up first thing in the morning, you make the mistake of putting any of the news or the Facebook or the Twitter on, and immediately it's every negative opinion in the world. Your neighbor's negative opinion about this guy or that guy. So you start absorbing that as if it's reality. And the reality is this is just one of those things that's being beamed into your home that's not actually real. Yes, I live in a big city, 9 million people, and I walk down the street and I can feel that energy because so many people are tuned into that, and there's no way to escape it. Even if I cut all those things out, which I pretty much have, there's no way to escape that everyone else is doing it, and there's an actual consciousness around. And you could feel, especially for a period of time, that there was a real division between men and women. They feel polarized. And on both sides, they're being completely manipulated and catapulted into this anger, hate-fueled thing for someone else's agenda, even though they feel like it's their own. So should men go their own way? Absolutely not. What men need to do now more than ever is to lead, is to be leaders, what you were always born to do. You were born to lead your own life by your interests and passions. You were born to lead other people into an amazing life. You were born to lead a woman into your life to create a family with each other and perhaps offspring. You were born to lead. And what's happening in our society is men stop leading. They're going into this, I'm going to go my own way. I'm going to hide in a corner. I'm going to just do my own thing. I'm not going to be a part of this. You need to lead, and that doesn't mean you need to lead a political affront. That means you need to lead your own life by your interests and passions. What are they? Get into them and lead other people into their lives. And I urge you to quit all those negative sources of information. And what you'll find is literally within days, even a week, all of that men go your own way, all of this stuff won't be so irrelevant. And then all of a sudden you'll meet people, you'll meet women, and you'll realize that women love men. Women love men. Women need men. Women need men, strong men who lead. But if you want to go around looking for trouble, you can get on a Facebook Facebook feed and find that those nasty people talking about man tears, or how hateful men are, or and it's all irrational, and it's so hurtful to any logical person's emotions that it's like, fuck this, I'm going my own way, right? But the reality is that's all I'm really going to say. No, you're not going to go your own way. You really want to tap into yourself and create an amazing life and lead, man. Lead, not argue with people on street corners about what's right or wrong, but lead by living an amazing life. So that's what I'm going to do. And you can go that way with me. All right, guys, John Keegan, theawakenedlifestyle.com. I've got a lot of videos here and a lot more coming. And reach out to me if you're interested in doing one of my workshops. I'll see you soon.